Hello and welcome to my channel. So today, beautiful sunny day, so I've decided to take a trip down to London. So I'm just walking down to Milton Keynes station, which takes about 40 minutes, and I've got the Canon M50 Mark II with me as per usual. I've got mounted on it the Sigma 56mm EFM lens. It's a great lens for street photography, and I know that my preference probably these days is the 22mm. I just want to have another trip with this 56mm and see how it performs again on this lovely day. So I'll catch up with you once I get to London, and we'll start some street photography when we get there. So see you later.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you.
Okay, that's me in London. So got off at the Underground at Leicester Square and just walking into Chinatown. As I said earlier, we've got the Canon M50 Mark II with the Sigma 56mm. I've got the settings here on 500th of a second, f6.3, auto ISO at the moment, and we'll just see what sort of shots we can get on this lovely day. Okay, just a few warm-up shots just to get going here. So we're just walking along, as I say, Chinatown, and just getting a few shots. Get this chap in the doorway. Get these, the shadows of the lanterns. I think we can have some fun here with the reflections in this glass. Let's just see what shots we can get along here. The spot everybody gets their photo taken. So I'm just hanging around here to get a few portraits of people coming through. I'll put it on 1.4 4,000th of a second, ISO 100. Okay, we're just heading towards Leicester Square now. It's all in the same area. those watching this video, we do actually have a jolly bee here.
Those faces coming through the trees. Just got to get this shot. Yeah, pretty happy with that. Oh, I do like the bark on this tree. It's just forming some nice shapes. I wouldn't class it totally as street photography. Anyway, look at this. I just love this shot. So I've got to get a shot of this woman having a picnic with Paddington Bear. Yep, pretty happy with that one. I'm just trying to get a shot through this gate. Yep, pretty happy with that. Oh, I do like these reflections. I'm just going to try and get this reflection here. Oh, I'll get this worker.
Okay, back in Chinatown. See what else we can get along here.
I've just got to get this lady dishing up this food. Oh, look at those noodles. Let's try and just get this one. That one will do. Telephone box out of use, no longer used. Got to get a shot of this. Just life in Chinatown. Get one into this bakery. I think this looks nice. Just going to try and get this chap. Sort of use these yellow poles here as leading lines through. Yep, happy with that one. Ah, just over here there's another leading line up to these people. Just going to get this. Just going to move a little bit closer and down a bit. That should do me. Get this person in the bus. I always like photos into buses. Oh, look at this. Let's get this person. I'll just wait for somebody to come across the road. These two should do. Oh, that couple on the right. Let's get these. I've got to get this chap with the umbrella. Oh, I love these backgrounds. Let's see what I can do here. Yep, that's okay. What else can I do? Oh, let's get this lady. Oh, look at this bloke with a bike. got to put this one into black and white. I'm just going to try and take this shot through the telephone box. Yeah, that'll do me. Glass is a bit dirty, but that's okay. Oh, look at this chap writing. I think I got that one. Just get this lady walking towards us. Oh, look, nice crowd looking at something. I'll get this. This is like a new building right at the back, that glass building, just sticking up through the others. Oh, quick one here. This chap looks good. I think I'll put that one into black and white.
Yeah.
Chap with a hat, quick. I think I got it.
Yeah.
I just need someone to walk across this. Right in the shadows here. That lady will do.
Yeah.
I've got to get this chap with the hat. Oh, look at these reflections in the car. I'm happy with that shot. Anyway, if you enjoyed that video, please do give me the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so that you don't miss future videos. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.